Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Path to Fluent English, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hi, Chloe. Hi, everyone. Today I am looking at my feet. Oh, my shoes are very old. They have holes in them.
Oh no, Sam, it sounds like you need a new pair of shoes. That is perfect because today we are talking about shoe store vocabulary.
Shoe store vocabulary, yes. I need to know how to ask for my size and how to talk about different types of shoes. Sometimes I go into a store and I just point at my feet.
Don't worry, Sam. Today we will learn the words so you don't have to point. But wait, before we go to the mall, if you want to learn with us every time we upload, please subscribe and like this video. Join our family. Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring. Please join us. It makes us very happy to see you learning. Okay, Chloe, I am in the store now. I see so many shoes. Where do I start?
Well, first, a worker might come to you. They are the sales assistant. Sam, do you know what a sales assistant is?
Sales assistant. Is that the person who works in the store and helps the customers?
Exactly. Right. Good job. They might ask, "Can I help you find something?" Or, "What size are you looking for?"
Size. Yes, that is the number for my foot. In my country, I am a size 42, but in other places, the numbers are different. It is very confusing.
Confusing. That is a great word. It means it is difficult to understand. Yes, sizes can be different in different countries. You can ask the sales assistant, "Do you have a size chart?"
A size chart? Let me see. That is a paper or a sign that shows the different numbers for different countries.
Exactly. Right. Good job. And then you can find your fit. Sam, do you know what fit means?
Fit. Oh, I know that one. It is how the shoe feels on my foot. If it is not too big and not too small, it is a good fit.
Exactly. And if the shoe is too small, we say it is tight.
Tight, like it is squeezing my toes? Ouch! I hate tight shoes. Actually, I have a funny story about this. Yesterday, I saw a beautiful pair of black shoes in the window. They looked very stylish.
Stylish. That means they look very fashionable and cool. Did you buy them?
Well, they only had one pair left. It was a size too small, but I wanted them so much. I said, I can make my feet fit. I put them on and I walked to the park. But after 5 minutes, I was walking like a penguin. My toes were crying. I had to take the shoes off and walk home in my socks. Everyone was looking at me.
Oh no, Sam. Walking in socks in the park? Well, a mistake is just a sign that you are trying to be stylish. Always buy the right size.
I learned my lesson. No more tight shoes for me. Now, Chloe, let us look at the types of shoes. I see sneakers.
Sneakers, yes, these are the soft shoes for sports or walking. In some places, people call them trainers.
Sneakers or trainers. I like those. They are very comfortable. And what about the shoes for a party?
Those are dress shoes, or maybe heels for women. Sam, do you know what heels are?
Oh, those are the shoes that make you taller, right? They have a tall part at the back. I think they look difficult to walk in.
They can be. And for the beach, we have sandals or flip-flops.
Flip-flops. That's a funny name. Is it because of the sound they make when you walk? Flip, flop, flip, flop?
Exactly, right. Good job. And when it's raining, you need boots.
Boots. Yes, They cover your ankles and keep you dry. And, Chloe, what about the things we wear inside the shoes? The socks.
Exactly. You always need socks, unless you're wearing sandals. Now, Sam, let us look at the parts of the shoe. We have the laces.
Laces. Those are the strings we tie to keep the shoe on our foot.
Exactly. And the bottom of the shoe is called the sole. Sole. Sole.
Sole. Sole. My old shoes have a hole in the sole. That's why my feet get wet when it rains.
Oh dear, you definitely need a new pair. Now, when you find a shoe you like, you can ask, "Can I try these on? Can I try these on?"
Can I try these on? And then I walk around the store to see how they feel. I should do a lap. Chloe, lap, what does that mean?
A lap means one full circle around an area, like walking around the store once to check the fit.
Okay, I will do a lap in the store. And if I like them, I ask, how much are these?
Exactly. And the sales assistant might say, "They're on sale." Sam, do you know what on sale means?
On sale. Does it mean the price is lower than usual, like a discount?
Exactly, right. Good job. It's a great time to buy shoes. Sometimes they say, "Buy one, get one free."
Oh, I love that. I can get 2 pairs of sneakers. And when I'm ready to pay, I go to the cash desk or the register.
Right, and they'll give you a receipt. Receipt. Sam, that's a fancy word. Do you know what it means?
Receipt. Oh, I know. It is the small piece of paper that shows I paid for the shoes. I should keep it in case I want to return them.
Exactly. Return means taking them back to the store if there's a problem. You're an expert now, Sam.
Thank you, Chloe. I feel ready to go shopping. No more holes in my soles.
That's great to hear. Now, let's remember the main points together.
Okay, let's remember the main points together.
Point number 1. Use words like sneakers, boots, and sandals to describe what you want.
Point number 2. Ask for your size and ask, can I try these on to check the fit?
Point number 3. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Path to Fluent English, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hi, Chloe. Hi, everyone. Today I am looking at my feet. Oh, my shoes are very old. They have holes in them.
Oh no, Sam, it sounds like you need a new pair of shoes. That is perfect because today we are talking about shoe store vocabulary.
Shoe store vocabulary, yes. I need to know how to ask for my size and how to talk about different types of shoes. Sometimes I